Morning to one and all. I'm Prajna of Class 7C studying in AFS Begumpet. Now I'm going to recite a poem named Nature, written by me. On a beautiful sunny day, I saw a bunny. He was very funny. He showed me the beautiful flowers blooming. Cheerful and happy, they were renewing the whole forest with an enchantment. The high and mighty trees, so high they stand, for they are the keys for our life to ease. The river, so calm, peaceful and happy on my palm, moving swiftly like horses. Where are your energy sources? Nature, oh nature, you are our future. Thank you.